Hi everyone, this is P with Mr.V, and today we are doing the BROOM challenge. The BROOM challenge is a multi-challenge, so a lot of different small challenges. Number 1, balancing the broom on the palm of your hand. Number 2, balancing the broom on only one finger. Number 3, balancing the broom on the back of your hand. Number 4, balancing the broom on the back of your finger. Number 5, balancing the broom on your foot. Number 6, balancing the broom on the palm of your hand. Number 7, balancing the broom on the back of your hand. And the last one, balancing the broom without any assistance. Ta-da! Well, there you have it. One challenge made up of a lot of little different challenges. Let me know which one you like most and if you were able to do all of them. Have fun. Bye.